So, good day everyone. This is my case study, domain controller. So, first, we go to new. Then, gagawa tayo ng bagong Windows Server 2008 virtual machine. So, lagyan lang natin ng name and ISO file. And then, for the hardware, gawin nating 4096 yung base memory. Then, 4 CPUs. Then, pre-allocate full size. Then, finish. Then, start. Then, next, install now. Then, piliin natin yung Enterprise Full Installation. Accept the license terms. Custom. Next. And then, wait natin siya mag-install. Then, magre-restart. Install ulit. Then, restart ulit. And then, maglalagin na tayo. Gagawa tayo ng new password for administrator. So, to create the main controller, add roles muna tayo. Next. Then, yung Active Directory Domain Services, add required features, and then next, then install. So after nun, click na natin Active Directory Domain Services Installation Wizard. Create a new domain in a new forest, then lagay natin yung required domain controller, which is tupt.edu.ph. Then next. And then sa forest functional level, piliin natin yung Windows Server 2008 R2. Then next. Yes. Yes ulit. Next. And then, lalagay tayo ng administrator password. Next. And then finish. And restart now. So, as you can see, nabago yung domain natin into tupt.edu.ph. So, yun lang po. Thank you for watching.